Nose Blackhead Removal Deep Pore Cleaning Step by Step. Realistic Nose Blackhead Removal Remedy. Deep Nose Blackhead Cleaning at Home. Blackheads happen when oil, dead skin, and dirt clog the pores on your nose. The safest and most realistic way to remove them is through gentle cleansing and regular skin care, not harsh squeezing. Step-by-step remedy. Step 1. Clean your face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water to remove oil and dirt. Step 2. Steam for 5 minutes. Use warm steam to soften the pores. You can place your face over a bowl of hot water with a towel over your head. Step 3. Apply salicylic acid. Use a 2% salicylic acid product on the nose area. This helps dissolve oil inside the pores and slowly reduces blackheads. Step 4. Clay mask. 1 to 2 times weekly. Apply a clay mask for 10 to 15 minutes. Clay absorbs excess oil and helps clean clogged pores naturally. Step 5. Gentle extraction, optional. If blackheads are soft after steaming, use a clean blackhead extractor tool gently. Do not press too hard. This can damage the skin and leave marks. Step 6. Ice or cold water. Rinse with cool water or apply ice wrapped in cloth for a few seconds to calm the skin. Step 7. Moisturize. Use a light, oil-free moisturizer to keep the skin balanced. Important tips: avoid squeezing blackheads with nails. Do not use toothpaste or lemon directly on skin. Consistency works better than aggressive removal. Visible improvement usually takes a few weeks. Best ingredients for blackheads: salicylic acid, niacinamide, clay masks, retinoids, night use, gentle exfoliants. Realistic result: a single session may remove some surface blackheads, but deep blackheads usually need regular treatment over time for cleaner pores and smoother skin.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.